Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the region in the Netflix app using a proxy server. Let's get started. Netflix is an international online platform that offers subscribers access to a wide range of movies, series, TV shows, and documentaries. Let's start by connecting the Netflix app to a proxy. For Windows settings, navigate to Start and type Proxy, then go to Proxy Server Settings. In the Manual Proxy Setup section, toggle the switch to enable it and enter the IP address and HTTP port. If you are using a free proxy, there's no need for a username or password. However, if you've chosen a private proxy, make sure to enter your username and password in the designated fields. There is also an alternative way to set up your proxy using the Proxifier application. I'll show you how it works. Launch Proxifier, then select Proxy Servers. In the open window, click on Add and select the desired protocol. The software offers a choice of HTTPS, SOCKS 4, and SOCKS 5. Once the protocol is selected, add the proxy's IP address and port. If you're using a free proxy, no username or password is required. However, if you are using a private proxy, in the Authentication section, toggle the box next to Enable. This action will activate the fields for entering your username and password. Let's check the proxy functionality by clicking on Check. As you can see, the proxy is ready to use. Save the settings by clicking OK. Next, you need to enable the proxy by going to the Proxification Rules section. If you want to activate the proxy for the entire system, change the values from direct to the pre-added proxy in the default rule and save it. If you want to activate the proxy directly for the Netflix app or the browser in which you plan to use it, follow these steps. In the Proxification Rules section, click on Add. In the open window, set a name for the new rule. In the Application section, you can manually choose the application in the File Explorer or just enter its name. For example, I'll be using a proxy in the Chrome browser, and my application is named chrome.exe. In the Action section below, select the pre-added proxy. After completing these steps, save the settings and restart the browser. Your IP address and location will be changed. And that's it. Your proxy setup is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. Currently, Proxy-Seller provides over 15 locations and offers more than 20 mobile proxy operators. These proxies feature automatic rotation every 5 or 30 minutes, or manual rotation using a special link. You are free to choose between 4G and 5G proxies. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.